Well, cold, nasty rain across parts of Arkansas this evening. No wintry weather, though. We're not worried about any ice or snow, not tonight. Even tomorrow, just going to be cold and wet. But as we get into Saturday, that's when we get another surge of colder air coming on in, and that's going to mean some of that rain changing over to some freezing rain and sleet across northern Arkansas, and then over to some snow. This is going to be mainly starting early Saturday morning, going through Saturday night into early Monday or early Sunday morning. Central Arkansas not in that winter storm watch, but that doesn't mean that there's no chance of any sort of wintry weather. Greatest threat for sleet, ice, and snow accumulation in that winter storm watch area across parts of north central Arkansas. You get a little bit farther south, and we'll likely see rain changing over to some snow at some point late Saturday evening or Saturday night. And then as the rain starts to come to an end, likely enough cold air that will get a brief transition to snow across parts of central Arkansas, although right now in that light pink area, it doesn't look like accumulations are really going to be all that much. Here's a look at the satellite and radar this evening. Just a few mainly light showers across central and southern Arkansas, but here's the big story. We have this big plume of subtropical moisture coming out of the Pacific. At the same time, a piece of upper air energy in the southwest. That is going to create a storm system over Texas that's going to move along the Gulf Coast, and at the same time tap into some fairly cold air to our north where temperatures below freezing. You know, that pretty chilly air all the way down into Arkansas with temperatures only in the upper 30s. Right now across the state with the clouds and light rain around, temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. A little bit milder south and east, 49 in Monticello, 50 in El Dorado. Now as we take a look outside right now, Little Rock area, we have 39 degrees, clouds and drizzle. The Simmons Tower camera is covered in clouds right now. That's why you don't really see anything, but Little Rock is out there. A wind chill 36 with a breeze out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. That northeast breeze is going to increase tomorrow and tomorrow night as that area of low pressure moves towards the Gulf Coast. So here's that cold air coming southward. At the same time, here's that area of low pressure developing across Texas with a large area of rain streaming into the state. So tomorrow, expect some cold rain, especially central and southern Arkansas. Not so much north for tomorrow, but as we get towards tomorrow evening, that rain continue to spread into central Arkansas, so a very chilly, nasty rain for tomorrow night. But tomorrow night is not when we're expecting the wintry weather. That starts to come in Saturday morning as that colder air starts to creep southward. Notice a change to some freezing rain and sleet across northern Arkansas in that pink area, likely changing to snow as we get through the late morning and early afternoon hours, and that rain snow line starts to move south as we go through the afternoon and into the evening. Notice by late Saturday night, that rain snow line starts swinging through central Arkansas, but at the same time, it looks like most of the precipitation begins to let up and push away. So that's going to leave not a big window of opportunity for snow across central Arkansas, but a much bigger opportunity for significant winter weather across north central Arkansas. Significant snow amounts, 4 to 6 inches, although those amounts are really going to be dependent on how much of a sleet freezing rain mix we get. But as you get south, those snow amounts drop off pretty quickly. Once you get to about I-40, likely less than an inch of accumulation and all rain south. So as we take a look at tomorrow morning, starting off with some showers around, temperatures go nowhere during the day with that northeast wind and the showers around. Temperatures actually staying in the mid to upper 30s as we go into the evening hours. So above freezing, but it's going to be cold out there. You'll need those umbrellas and those coats. Saturday, rain changing over to some sleet and snow, drying out for Sunday, staying cold and then a bit milder by the middle of next week. Donna and Kevin.